All right. So let's assume I have an idea, and this is the idea. I have an idea for streamers to be able to use their keyboard to make various sounds. Now, streamers love that far, far. Why are you running? You might be wondering how I ended up in this. They like that. And who are you? They like sounds like that. It keeps streaming fun and alive. But some of these streamers have to what? Download all of these sounds one by one. So we have a problem. So first thing you need in an idea is a problem. What is the problem? So the problem is streamers have to download all of these sounds one by one. Sourcing for them can be easy. So our solution is that we are making it easy. We are making it easy for streamers to use these sounds. Can you see? Very, very easy for streamers to use these sounds. So that's the solution. All right. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to ChatGPT. Now, for my ideas, I use three things. I use ChatGPT to wash up, to like touch up the idea. That's what I use ChatGPT for. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT I have an idea. All right, sorry, I have a call.